Yeah, you can see the difference right here. This is a regular red one, and then this is the albino. You can see the difference, right? Red iguana, green iguana, albino iguana.
Special shout outs to FX Airguns and Paramount Air. Oh my God.
Hyper orange.
Oh.
Ooh, the finesse. The finesse.
My goodness. Oh my gosh. Definitely 6 foot.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Raj the Iguana Man here, checking in with you guys. We have this cold front here in Florida, and we're hanging out with our buddy Larry Hooper. Larry!
What's going on, Raj?
What's up, man? We staying warm. And as you guys might have seen on the news, there's been reports of frozen, fallen iguanas. Yes, sirree, Bob. As you guys can see, we are at my cemetery iguana removal job. A lot of the issues that we're having out here, iguanas messing with flowers, congregating, and scaring some of the visitors. So we're going to be doing some iguana removal out here. It's freezing still for Florida standards, by the way. 50 degrees. Let's hop out and see what we can find. Yo, and it's raining, as you guys can see. Man. Oh, I think I see our first one, Hooper. Yo, look at him. Is that one right there? That's got to be one, dude. That's not real. It looks like a statue. Oh.
Oh, he is real.
Whoa. He's frozen, but he ain't. Oh, shoot. He's got a little bit of... Oh, shoot. Yo, when it's cold, their claws be sharp on your, frozen skin. Look at this guy. Oh, yeah. Yes. Ah. Little Charizard. Oh! I need gloves, Hooper. These guys have razor blades for nails. Ow. Look, he already sliced me up, bro. Ow. What's wrong with you, man? I'm trying to save you. Ah. Look at that. He's trying to... Hey, buddy. Oh. Whoa. Hey. You be nice, Godzilla. Look at his tail. It's got like a club. Hey, I'm gonna pet you. It's okay. You don't have to be so mean. I didn't do nothing to you. I know you're cold. Come here. It's so cool. Looks like we have a nice little Sheila. Look at his tail. I know. Oh, here, bud. Hold on. Oh, he's trying to swing it. He thinks he can tail whip me. You can't tail whip me, buddy. You're too cold. I know. He's so cool. You could never do this, Hooper. Just walk up to an iguana and start petting him in Florida. You want to try it, Hooper? Just stay away from his mouth, all right?
That was crazy.
Look at that, Hooper. You just petting your pet iguana, boy.
Yeah.
Wow, hey.
That is insane.
There, now he knows that we're his friend. We're not trying to hurt you. We don't want to hurt you, buddy. We like you. All right, buddy. I know.
You're like my pet cat. You really hate me, but you're gonna allow me to pet you.
Exactly. Ooh, Hooper. He heard that. He didn't like that comment. Let me get him. Let me get him. Oh. Dude, he keeps swinging that thing. He's like kind of reckless with that tail, bro. You need to stop being mean, all right? And being rude. I'm your friend. I don't want to hurt you. Oh, silly, silly iguana. He doesn't want to be my friend, guys. And that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. You guys think these are pets and they're friendly. Some of them might be, but don't bet on it because they're wild and they're feral. Look at them. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. You behave yourself, boy. You be a bad iguana. You be good. I know you're cold. It doesn't mean you have to be rude to me. Because I'm here to warm you up, buddy. First silly iguana in the cemetery, in the day, in the bag. All right, guys. We got our first one. We're going to walk around. It's raining. You guys can see it. Look. So we got to be careful. We can't be out here too long because we don't want to get wet. And it's cold and we don't want to get hypothermia. So I think I seen one over here. On this tree. Yep. Oh, dude, there's a white one right there. Guys, I think we found a ghost iguana. I don't know if he's albino because I know albinos are kind of yellow, but look at him. He looks kind of yellow. He's like a ghost. He's at a cemetery, so. Oh, he's gonna let us get right up to him, Hooper. He's gonna let us get right up to him. Let's see what he does. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, oh. Boom. Oh, shoot. Yo. Yes. He's all white, baby. Wait, is this an albino? Yo, this might be an albino. Yeah, there's not a single thing of green in him. He's white. Guys, I think we just caught an albino. Look at him, he's white. Hi, buddy. He's super white. Look at his belly. Look, hey, tickle, tickle. So white. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Whoa! God. All right, guys, that's super cool. Second iguana cemetery job. You guys see what happened at the nighttime? We came out here. It was insane, but we have to do another round because right now we have freezing temperatures for a whole week, and we cannot waste this opportunity. This is the easiest it's going to be to catch iguanas, guys. You guys can thank Mother Nature. We need more cold weather like this. Look at this guy. It's like an albino, guys. It's either an albino or it's the closest to an albino we can get in the wild. If you look over here, he's kind of white. You see that? Very light yellow, but his head is completely white. Hey, buddy. That is so cool, guys. Let's go ahead and put this silly guy in the bag. So, you see another one? Let's see. We see him. There were some big ones here the other night, bro. Oh shoot, yeah. In that tree. I see a few of them. You see them? I won't go down there and get them. There's two, alright? Yeah. There's one right there. Let me see. Got one. Look at this one. This one's frozen right here too. I gotta be careful not to slide over here.
Yeah, that's a long way down.
Yeah, that's all we got to. Yeah. Oh shoot, there's three. There's one down here. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Look at this one. Wow. He's right there in the mud. He's digging his snout in there. Let me go down here. Hopefully it's not too icky. But this is what I was saying, guys. It is the easiest time of the year to catch iguanas. They're frozen. Look, they're frozen, dude. And 3-piece. So I've been sick the last couple weeks. Like I said, I'm making up for it right now, y'all. This cold snap is gonna help me get some bills paid, y'all, especially after this holiday season. So, chicken of the trees, baby. Frozen 3-piece with a biscuit. Silly iguanas. So, thanks, bro. All right, you guys. So you see that tree right there? That's one of their main nests. Obvious reasons. You guys can see it looks like it can house a lot of big specimens, a lot of big boys. Here's what happens, guys. And for us humans, when it gets cold, what do? We put on a jacket. For an iguana in Florida, when it gets cold, what happens, Larry?
They fall out of trees.
Exactly. What happens, guys, is they're on top of the trees and they can't keep their grip. And if it's windy, eventually they just slip off and they fall, they get frozen. Actually, if you look right down here, we got another specimen down there. Looks like he got washed on shore. Probably fell out of this tree right here. Hey, buddy, you all right? Let's see if he's okay. Hello. Not really responsive. Try to go low. I don't want to slip. Look at him, this nasty. Yep. You know what's crazy, guys? They're still frozen, but they are a lot warmer than they have been in the last couple of days. Look how much more energy he has. You know? Oh shoot. And he's flaring out that dewlap. So It's still cold. They're still frozen, but they are definitely thawing out. So it's crucial that we get as many as we can right now before it gets back into the 80s, and then it's going to be Jurassic Park all over again. This time they might come with a vengeance. But let's see how active he is right here. You can see he's like, he's more alert. Because when it gets cold, it's like their heart rate slows down. It's like a defense mechanism to help ensure the species survival. Just in case there's weather events just like this, cold snaps in subtropical areas. All right, it's just all designed from evolution, guys. It's insane, and that's what makes iguanas a very, very versatile and hard animal to just catch. They're strong, not only in numbers, but they're super resilient. Whoa, I know, it's so resilient. He's super resilient. It's like a dinosaur, and he can eat grass. Could you imagine that? All he can eat is grass. All he needs to eat is grass, and he'll survive. And of course, flowers out here, buddy. But no more flowers for you, buddy. Yeah, there's probably some under some of these big trees. We gotta check it out. Yeah, man, remember we landed some giants here the other night? Yeah. Cleaned those big boys out. Those big boys were living in here. There would have been no chance of us getting them if they didn't get frozen, bro. Yeah, and like we were saying, guys, they'll be on top of these trees, and basically with the high winds come, if it's 40, it might have a wind chill of like 30 or 35, and that's where it's like just feels icy. You know they're cold-blooded, so they can't hang on for too long, and then they end up just freezing, and some die, but miraculously some come back to life. Let's keep our eyes peeled, guys. There could be iguanas anywhere, frozen. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We got one right here, dude. Whoa. Oh, yeah. It's a big one. Here, let me grab this one real quick. Oh yeah, this one's stiff as a rock. Remember what I told you guys too, right? Some of them die. Some of the ones we had were alive. But a big one like this, if he falls, let's say he's on the tree upright like this, right? And then he gets frozen, then he ends up upside down. He's kind of holding on by his claws. And then he falls and he lands on his head. Guess what? That's a concussion. That's brain injuries. That's death. That could be death. He can break his spine. I think that's what happened here, guys. Are you all right? Look at that. He's got an injury right there, which is pretty gnarly. Whoa. Let's take a look at this big guy. He's got seaweed on his face. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that, yo. Man. Look at his saliva and look at his tongue. It's frozen. Yeah. Dude, look inside of his mouth. It's frost. It's ice. Wow. So, and that's another thing. If it gets too cold and like, let's say their mouth starts getting dry and frozen, their eye starts getting dry and frozen, I think that's going to be, permanent, irreversible damage for an iguana or any animal that gets caught in the freeze, you know? If your tongue, Larry, like let's say you're cold and let's say your tongue gets frozen and you're still alive, that's gonna be a problem, right, Larry?
Oh yeah.
If your tongue has frostbite and your internals, like your eyes have frostbite and your eyes are frozen, I mean, I'm not a doctor by any means, but you guys can kind of guess that would probably be pretty catastrophic to those organs. Drop some comments and let me know. Right in those things. Silly iguana in the bag. All right, hold on. Dude, these guys are warming up, guys, because the rain is making everything warm. Look at the albino. Now you guys can see the difference between the albino. Look at him. Holy smokes. Buddy, you silly iguana. Let's check his temperature. 53. He's 53. So that's how lethargic they get at that temperature. Remember, we were measuring them. They were in their 40s, about 10 degrees colder. Completely locked up, completely immobilized. 10 degrees will make a difference on these guys as far as their movement and their activity. Let's see something real, the body temp. It says it's low. That's for humans probably. Hold on one second. Room temp. Oh shoot, watch out, baby. Baby trying to bite me. You want to bite me? Here. All right, surface temp. 53. Eh? No, you good? No. You heard that? Oh, the little dragon. What are you? What are you? Not weigh, but what do you check out to be? 52. You want to bite? Silly guy. And then let's check out the big one. The big one's like, man. The big one's 51, bro. And let's check out the room temperature out here, all right? Just to get this gadget is cool right here for getting data. Room. See that says room? Let's see what it's out here. It's saying it's 72 degrees out here, bro. Is that right? That's not believable, is it?
Can't believe it.
Actually, I don't know if that's right or not, guys. But the surface temp of my truck is 52. It's saying it's 72. It's saying the room is 52. The surface, it's saying the room, the room is 72 and the surface is 52. Hold this for a second. Hold on. Let me get these guys. Let me get these guys rounded up. Stay right here. You behave yourself. This guy's got like a little nosebleed, little nub. They're so cute. It's like picking up like a dragon, you know? Like we just picked them up. Here, buddy. We're gonna take a couple pictures here, guys. Send it to our boss. Where's my phone? We're gonna call it a day, guys. We got our hands full right here. We got 6 iguanas, 1 big alpha, 4 green ones, and we have an albino. Drop a comment, guys, if you guys think that one is albino, or let me know what do you guys think is the reason why he's yellow like that, or white. What do you guys think it is? You think he's just like hyper white? Or do you think he's cold and he's a ghost because we're at the cemetery? Or do you think he's actually an albino? Drop a comment, let me know. I'm gonna call you Ghost. You silly albino iguana. Yeah, you can see the difference right here. This is a regular red one, and then this is the albino. You can see the difference, right? Red iguana, green iguana, albino iguana.